Hello friends, it's Danny here at Danny's Dreams, and today is day 7 of my November 2023 Tag a Day series. So let's get to what I used for today's card, or not card, tag. This one was super simple and something a little bit different. I had asked in my community tab which tag die to use next, and it was pretty close, but the Catherine Pooler Hearts and Tag die kind of won it out by like one vote, I think. So that's what I used today. And then I used very old basic gray kissing booth paper and a gold pen. I didn't use any stamps. I didn't use anything else. Just the tag dies and paper. And here is my tag for today. Again, it's a little bit different. I didn't put any words on it. I thought whenever I went to give it away, I could easily stamp something right here, or I could always add like another additional tag on if I want. There's the back. For once it is not cardstock, I just layered up the paper so that it could be seen through there. So there's actually 3 layers. And I just used those dies for the hearts. There came with all kinds of different ones. Thought this was cute, but I just didn't want to cover up any of these hearts, so I didn't do it. But it's a great tag set, all the different elements and stuff, and I thought it turned out really pretty. It did need something. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, so I went around and I dotted with that gold metallic pen, so it's got just a little bit of something extra to it, and then some ribbon. So really different for me. No stamping, no coloring, no stenciling, just dies and some pretty paper. So there is my tag die for day 7. I hope that you will stop by tomorrow for day 8. And until then, go do something crafty, or go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Have a great day. Bye.